My dear students, in the previous video, we have solved all the problems in the exercise 10.1 under the chapter straight lines in our CBSE 11th standard mathematics. Our next idea in this chapter is various forms of equation of the straight lines. Various forms of equation of the straight line. Various forms of equation of the straight lines. First one is point slope form. See, we are going to see different forms of equation of the straight lines. Out of that, first equation form is point slope form. Equation of a straight line defined in point slope form. That is, this is the required line L. It makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. The line L makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. This is P x comma y is a point on the line, and Q x1 y1 is a point, any point on the same line. Slope of this line L is slope of the line L is defined by tan theta, and it is denoted by m y minus y1 by x minus x1. This is the slope of the line L, y minus y1 by x minus x1. On cross multiplication, it is m into x minus x1 equal to y minus y1. We rewrite this equation as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So m is the slope of the line, and the x1 y1 is any point on the line. So this is the point slope of the line. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M is y minus y1 by x minus x1. This is called point slope. Of point is x1 y1. Slope is y minus y1 by x minus x1. That is m. Point is x1 y1 and slope is m. That's why it is called point slope form. Point slope, tan value of the angle made by the line with the x-axis, positive direction of the x-axis. Next one is 2-point form. Next type, where various forms. The second type is 2-point form. 2-point form of straight lines. 2 points form. See, P x y and Q P x1 y1 and Q xy is any point on the line, and R x2 y2. See, any point, or otherwise you call this as x1 y1 and Q x2 y2, 2-point form. The equation of a line passing through the point P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. What is the equation of the line? 2-point form is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is a 2-point form of line. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x comma y is any point on the line. That's why y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is called the 2-point form of the line, and it can be rewrite as y minus y1 equal to, you bring this y2 minus y1 to that side, it becomes in the numerator, and x2 minus x1 is in the denominator, and x minus x1 is already there. So y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and x minus x1. This is slope. It's again, it can be converted into point slope form. 2-point form equation is this, and this can be converted into point slope form also, like that using this equation. Next, the third one, slope intercept form. That like slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. So, this is the line, L is the line given. P, x, y is any point on the line, and this distance is C, that is the point is 0, C. The line makes y intercept C. That means the line cuts the y-axis at 0, C. Slope intercept is C. The line passes through 0, C, or otherwise the line may intercept C along the y-axis. And the slope intercept form is y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is y-intercept. M is slope of the line and c is y-intercept. Y-intercept of the line. The distance of the line cut at a distance c at the y-axis. That is called y-intercept. This is called a slope intercept form. Suppose the intercept c is 0. Note one. If c is 0 under this, if the intercept c is 0, that means what? There is no y-intercept. If it is the case, there is no y-intercept means that line passes through the origin. There is no y-intercept. In this case, the equation of the line is y equal to mx only, c is 0. The line passing through the origin. Therefore, if c is 0, the equation of the line is y equal to mx only, because c is 0. It passes through the origin. It passes through y equal to mx, this line passes through origin. It has only slope, there is no y-intercept. Fourth one, slope intercept form. Fourth one is intercept form. Fourth type is intercept form. Intercept form is this is the line, L required line. It makes intercepts along the x-axis at a distance a, and along the y-axis it cuts at a distance b. This is origin. This point is a. The line cuts the x-axis at a. Its coordinates are a, 0. A, 0. And it cuts the line cuts the y-axis at b. It is 0, b. The point is 0, b. And p, x, y is any point on the line OA is called x-intercept, OB is called y-intercept. That's why it is called intercept form. The equation is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. This is the intercept form of the line where A is x-intercept that is OA and B is y-intercept that is OB. O is the origin. So x by x-intercept plus y by y-intercept equal to 1 is the intercept form of the straight line. This is the fourth type of equation of line. Next, fifth one is normal form of the equation for line. Normal form of the equation of the line. That is the fifth one. Normal form. It is L is the required line. Its perpendicular distance from the origin is P and AB, not L is the required line. It cuts the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. But OM is the perpendicular from the origin to the line. We have to find out the equation of the line L. Equation of the line L. You need not intercept actually here. You don't get confused with intercept. Just L is the required line. L is the required line. We have to find out its equation. We have to find out its equation. L is the required line. We want to find out its equation. And OM is the perpendicular from the origin. OM is the perpendicular to the line from the origin. From the origin, its distance is P. Its distance equal to small p. It makes an angle theta with the positive direction of omega. Sorry. It is given as omega in your book. Omega is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. Draw M P. P is any point PM. P is any point on the line and draw PM perpendicular to the x-axis. So we have to find out the coordinates of P. Since OM is along since OMP is an right angle triangle, this is OM is adjacent side, therefore this is cos omega. PM is opposite side, it is sin omega. OM is cos omega, PM is sin omega because OM is P cos omega because 1 minute. What is cos omega from this? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is P. The right angle triangle OPM. Cos omega is adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OP. That is from P. OP, distance OP. So this is cos omega equal to OM by the distance OP is P, cross multiplication OM equal to P cos omega. OM equal to P cos omega. Similarly, sin omega in the triangle opposite PM by opposite by hypotenuse P, cross multiplication P sin omega equal to PM. Therefore, OM is P cos omega and PM, OM is x coordinate is P cos omega and y coordinate is P sin omega. So the coordinates of point P is P cos omega, comma P sin omega. This is the point P, coordinates of point P. Coordinates of the point P is P cos omega, comma P sin omega. So P is any point on the line L. So the equation of the line, slope of the line, what is that? Slope of the line OP. Slope of the line OP is tan omega. Angle made by the line with the x-axis. Slope of OP, perpendicular OP is tan omega. But the line L is perpendicular to OP. Therefore, slope of the line L negative reciprocal minus 1 by tan omega. Because L is perpendicular to OP. So, slope of OP is tan omega. Since L is perpendicular to the line having the negative reciprocal of the slope of the perpendicular line. Therefore, tan omega negative reciprocal is 1 by tan omega is the slope of the line L. So, this is nothing but minus 1 by tan omega is minus cos omega by sin omega. 1 by tan is cot is minus cos by sin. We know the slope M. This is our slope of the line. Therefore, equation of the line in the normal form is, equation of the line is, required line is, equation of the line in the normal form, y minus y1, y1 is P sin omega equal to M, M is minus cos omega by sin, minus P cos omega, tan omega opposite, same adjacent P cos omega. Opposite side by okay, tan, so tan only, say that is minus cos omega by sin omega only into x minus x1 is P cos omega. Y minus y1 equal to M into x minus x1. M is negative reciprocal of tan, minus 1 by tan is cot is minus cos by sin omega. So cross multiplication y sin omega minus P sin square omega equal to minus x cos omega, minus into minus plus P cos square omega. Bring this x cos omega to the left hand side, becomes x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to, you bring this P sin square omega to the right hand side, it becomes plus P sin square omega, already plus P cos square omega is there. Taking P outside, sin square omega plus cos square omega, that is equal to 1 by trigonometry. This is P. Sin square omega plus cos square omega is P. Sin square omega plus cos square omega is 1 into P is P. Therefore, the required line, the normal form of the equation is, this you get only P into sin square omega plus cos square omega is 1 into P is P. So, x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p. This is the normal form of the equation. So that's all about the equation of normal form. So far we have seen 5 forms of the different forms of the lines. Using these formations, we will solve the problems in the next video. Thank you.